Hi, it's Greg Patterson again. What we're going to do now is go in and create a map, and we're going to add a map title, the spatial reference, north arrow, an index map, and a legend. So what we need to do is work out what size map do we want. So what I'm going to do is get a file, page and print setup. I'm going to choose A4. I can either choose landscape or portrait, but I'll use landscape here. I'll go OK. I then change, we have two different views. Data view, that's where we do all our manipulating, getting everything right, ready to produce a map. Layout view is your map. So I click on the map, bring it down, bring it within the frame. Now, don't want it too close to the edges. The dashed line that you can see right around the edge here is the extent of the map. I want to add some lines and text around the side of that. So I don't want to go too close to the top. Okay, and down the bottom here, I need to put in a scale bar later on. Okay, so I've got the map. There's a map coming in. Here's the data view. Now I want to set that. I can change the scale to whatever I want. I'm going to leave it at 250 thou. Now I need to insert a few things. First one is the title. So go in there. I'll change that to Brisbane roads. I might change the symbology. I'll make that 20 and go OK and OK. So I've now added the Brisbane roads. So to do that, insert title, and you can add it in there. So just get rid of the other one I just added. Okay, next thing I want to do is bring in the spatial reference. As you see, the data properties source is in geographic coordinate system, and the datum is GDA 1994. The window here, the view, can be changed. You can have that in whatever you need. So view, data frame properties, coordinate system, and it's exactly the same as what the data is. Cases may change. You might want to produce a map over Australia, and you'd use a Lambert conformal conic projection. Okay, just closing that off. So here's our map. We've got our roads in there. We need a spatial reference, so we go insert, dynamic text, coordinate system. That adds the coordinate system for this map. We then want to add a north arrow, so we go insert, north arrow. Choose the one you're interested in. There's quite a few. Go OK. I might bring that in. I might want to put it on the map itself, or you might want to put it down below. It's a matter of where you want it. Okay, north arrow. We've got an index map to add and a legend. So we'll go and add the legend first. Legend. So that's going to add this information onto the map. That's already brought that across for us. I'll go next. Don't need to make any changes there. I'll go next. Border. Yeah, I'll make a border. I want a background, and I might round the edges. Next, next, and finish. Here's my legend coming in. Okay, apart from that, what the next thing I want to do is bring in an index to show where that is. So insert, I'll bring in another data frame, so it's a separate map. And then I'm going to add data into it. So now I can't add the data when I've got this frame active. I have to have this one active. So you see how that's bold. Click on that one. That one's bold. I click on this one if I want to add data into it. Okay, add. I'm going to go back up. I said back in my student directory, ECW file, into the data set, and add the data. Comes in. I can zoom in on that one to get it to full extent and play around with it so it fits in there perfectly. And now I need to know where is it. So in here, if I right click and go properties, I go to extent indicators, click on that frame, that's this one. I want to know where is that in there. So I put a boundary around there. So I'll bring that one across. I'll go OK, and there it is there. So when I go back to this one, make that one active, and go back to it and move it around, you'll see the actual thing moves. So it's linked. Okay, that's it for this part of the video. Next one, we'll come in, we'll add some grid lines on the map, scale bar, scale text, we'll add our name, date, and some copyright information. And then we'll do some tidy up. Okay, thank you. Bye.